In this video, I'll show you how to install GNOME on Arch Linux. If you installed Arch without a desktop environment, or you've been using it for a while and want a full desktop setup, it's actually relatively simple to do. Before we dive in, I want to let you know that if you want to stay secure while browsing, downloading apps, or using online services on Arch Linux, one of the best options is NordVPN. I've included a link in the description that takes you directly to a limited time offer. It also comes with a 30-day, no questions asked money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk in trying it out. Now, let's get started. First, let's refresh our repositories and make sure the system is fully updated. Open your terminal and run the command to upgrade the system. This ensures you're not using outdated software or libraries. Depending on your connection and the number of packages, this may take a little time, so be patient. While it's possible to skip this step, I strongly recommend updating first to avoid potential issues down the line. Once the update is complete, go ahead and reboot your system and log back in. Next, you need to install the X server. In the terminal, type the command to install the X server and press Enter. Make sure not to mistype the command. When prompted for packages, just select all of them and stick with the default repositories. Confirm and let it download and install. This usually doesn't take very long. Keep in mind that in Arch Linux, most desktop environments come in their base version without any additional customizations, so you'll start with a clean setup. Once the X server is installed, the next step is installing GNOME. In the terminal, type the command to install the GNOME package group and press Enter. You'll be prompted to select packages. Just accept the defaults and let it install everything GNOME requires. Sometimes, certain packages may fail to install from the default server. If that happens, simply run the same command again and use a different mirror. This usually resolves the issue. After GNOME is installed, we need a display manager so we can log in graphically. For GNOME, we'll use GDM, the GNOME Display Manager. Install it using the Package Manager, and once it's done, verify that it's installed correctly. If the installation is successful, you should see confirmation that it's working. The next step is to enable the Display Manager so it starts automatically at boot. Use the systemcl command to enable GDM, replacing any default Display Manager. Once enabled, reboot your system. You should now be greeted by the GNOME login screen. Log in with your user account and you'll see the GNOME desktop. If you notice that certain components are missing, remember this is the base GNOME installation and there are additional tweaks you can add. Now that everything is working, test installing applications and exploring the environment to make sure it's functioning properly. By the way, if you want to try NordVPN at a discounted price, I've included a link in the description that takes you directly to this limited time offer. It also comes with a 30-day, no questions asked money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk in trying it out. And if you're watching this on your TV, you can scan this QR code with your phone's camera to check out NordVPN.